What's good, guys? So I've officially moved to Ibiza. Whoop, whoop, what?
Flashback.
So it's 2:30 in the morning. I'm flying to Ibiza at 6:50. My taxi's picking me up at 4:30. And I'm super nervous. I can't believe I'm moving to Ibiza. It should be fun. But yeah, my anxiety's through the roof at the moment. And I was stressing out for 2 hours because I thought I'd packed everything to the correct weight, but then I re-weighed it and it was like 29 kg and my allowance is 23, and I've got 2 bags and one is already over the limit, and then I had to repack this, and so my second bag is at like 25 something, and I'm just hoping that they let me through with that. Okay, it's 4:18, 10 minutes for the taxi. I slept for like 20 minutes. How you feeling?
I feel okay, baby. I'm just gonna really miss you. I'm looking for your padlock now last minute.
Yeah, I've had 2 padlocks, but I can't find one. So, more stress. Just one more. I have one. This cute little pink one. For this padlock. Not for this bag. Right guys, this is it. I'm going. I'm gonna miss you too, Madre. Love you.
Oh, take care, my darling. I love you so much. Thank you for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I'll see you in 25 days.
Oh, yeah, get out.
Okay, it's happening. We're going to Ibiza. We're gonna have a party. Let's check I've got everything. Yes. Let's go to the airport. We did it, guys. Oh my god, that was the most stressful thing I've ever done. So they've got like these new, like instead of a person, it's just a machine. And my bags were overweight. But I was pleading with the people there. I was like, look, I can't, my whole bag is full, I can't fit anything else in, but they wouldn't have it. And then luckily some man was like, oh yeah, don't worry, I'll do it for you. So that was amazing. So we did that. So yeah, next stop, flight to Ibiza. See you soon.
End of flashback.
So let me give you a tour of the apartment. So obviously this is the front door, and you walk in, and then you come here, and there's a bedroom to your right. Just got that. little cupboard in it, outside view. Then there's a bathroom there. You've got another bedroom here, and both of the bedrooms move out onto a balcony. That is absolutely stunning. Look at this. But I'll save that for a bit. And then over here you have my room. I just set up the bed and stuff. It's not done yet, but yeah, got this view outside. And then I've got a bathroom in here, ensuite. What's good, guys? Bathtub. And then if you follow me through, we've got this like dining room, excuse the mess, TV, sofa, that goes out onto the balcony again, and then here's the kitchen, and then this, so that goes to a balcony too, and then this whole balcony, right, you guys, you're not ready, like, it all connects to one. I'm living in Ibiza. I can't believe it. Got all these views, and then you've got those stairs there, which is probably one of my favourite parts. If you follow me up these spiral stairs. Are you excited? You come to this. Mate, is beautiful. I can't believe it. It's so nice. I'm just gonna be living here in Ibiza. Oh my god. So amazing. Still trying to take it all in. But yeah, that is my apartment tour. So yeah, the weather's not, like, it's sunny and it's warm, but it's not hot yet. I think maybe next month in June it'll start getting like really hot. But yeah, that's the new pad. Welcome to my crib and all that. I want to go like adventuring and like all kinds of things, and I'm excited to do it, and like it's just gonna be amazing, like yeah. But yeah, so that's my Ibiza ting, and yeah.